Today, I'll show you how to bake incredibly soft, moist, and delicious banana bread that your whole family will love. Wow, that's amazing. Welcome back. Today we're making banana bread. Let's gather our ingredients: bananas, flour, baking soda, salt, melted butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla. Time to mash these bananas. And now for the wet ingredients. Whisk it up. All right, first let's mix the wet ingredients: melted butter, sugar, eggs, and vanilla. Yeah. And then the mashed bananas. Whisk until everything is smooth and combined. Now the flour, baking soda, and a touch of salt. Folding this gently to keep it light. So. Time to bake for about 50 to 60 minutes.
And that's how you make perfectly moist homemade banana bread. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again on OMA'S World for more delicious recipes.